Do you know what trauma is and how to deal with it correctly? However, today we're going to go into a little bit of a side street, take a little detour, and we're going to talk about trauma. I had a download while I was getting my massage today, and it really spoke to me that I should speak on this area. And, you know, one of the things, if you've been watching me for a while, is I like to define words. We're using definitions from previous generations or other people. Most of us are living in the past and hoping for a future experience, and we're actually ignoring the present moment on a daily basis. One of the things that I believe in is, and I believe in holistic health, mind, body, spirit. You have to know how to heal yourself. So from that definition, a deeply distressing or disturbing experience, what does that really mean? Which, okay, yes, it's a disturbing experience, but it's still not really breaking down what is trauma. And so, to give you a prime example, January 24th at midnight, January 23rd at midnight, or 24th at midnight, I don't know, whichever day. But that was the day I woke up in the middle of the night to Cece passing away. That was a very traumatic event. What most people don't know and understand is I've been reliving that event for the past, I think it's 7-8 months now. You know, literally about a week ago, I was finally able to realize, who am I? After everything happened, if you knew, I was in the United States. I was in Washington State, Ocean Shores. I had looked in the mirror, and the person looking back at me, I did not recognize. None of it was my self-image.